how to make everyone can join you in experiences on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can join you in experiences on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click privacy and go down and select this one, who can join me in experiences. Click on it and then select everyone, and now as you see everyone can join you in experiences. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.